Fellow GMs, I bring to you your regular season champion, He Hate Me.
Check it out. You're looking at the regular season champion, man. According to the commissioner, the second best league record in the history. Alright? Now, I can't take all the credit because like I told y'all before, back in week 4, I dedicate this season to my fallen soldier, David Rogers, man. So I'm thankful he brought me this far, but this is just the beginning. Okay, we going all the way to the finals. Championship, baby. Championship or bust. I told you we's gonna do it, and we gonna do it. Period, point blank. Good luck to second place, man. I'm out.
That means one thing.
What's that?
Season champion.
Playoffs? Don't talk about playoffs. You kidding me? Playoffs? I just hope we can win a game.
Ain't that the truth? Let's get it started. It's the playoffs. What'd you say, Ida Tyler? We done made it. He Hate Me's the champ. On to our sponsors, Crown Royal, Toyota, Evansville School Corporation. I love this time of year as the playoffs. I know what I want for Christmas. It better be underneath that tree. That's a win today. I'm going to open my gift today. Ned Benny Award nominees. Mama's Bad Boy, Big Test. They needed some wind and some help. Geezer said no, thumping Big Test by almost 60 points, crushing his playoff dreams. To participate next year's draft, Big Test, change your name. Nothing big about you. Mama's Bad Boy, all he had to do was get a win. Choked. He choked. He's out. 4 points. He missed out by 4 points. Talked all that trash at the beginning of the year. My goodness. Next year, do better. 5 years in the league, one time make the playoffs. I'll tell you one GM that did do better. Cheetahs. He's in the playoffs over competing in fantasy football. This is his first year. He's in the playoffs. Bad thing about it is he's got He Hate Me first round. That's pretty tough. All right. Congratulations to Cheetahs. He's got twins. Proud father of twins. Congratulations. Big Kahuna versus Eye of the Tyler Part 3. Last 2 years, we met in the finals. He beat me both times. He's back-to-back champ. We face each other today. I asked him, what's your thoughts about this week? You winning? He hits me with, you're going to lose. That's just a thought. My goodness, he's cocky. I went for 158 last week. 2 legends clash this week. And I'm telling you, those 2 legends are Hollis hitters, Cole Trickles. Cole Trickles won in 2007. He's Super Bowl champ 2007. Big Tate let him down on Thursday. Great Graham came through for Hollis hitters. Geezers versus Seals. Classic. Navy Seals won regular season title. Geezers. He's been the bridesmaid. Is this his year? I'm going to tell you what. I'm going to try to play this clip. It might not work out. Good luck to everybody. Geezers had this to say. Take us out, Geezers.
The Geezers may be an underdog for the first round of playoff games, but if Aaron Rodgers makes his comeback, look out, Navy SEALs. We'll be better than our projection.
Aaron Rodgers, I don't even know what he's talking about. Good luck!